So please find yourself in a nice cross-legged seated position. Shoulders relaxed, hands on the knees, palms up to receive. Lengthen your spine, push the sit bones down, and relax your face. Now find your breath from the belly. As your belly inhales, it expands. Bring it to the midsection, collarbone, up to the point in between your eyebrows, and exhale from the point in between your eyebrows all the way down to the belly as your belly collapses. Just take a moment to organize your breath. Now notice the two streams of breath, the left stream of breath, the right stream. Slight coolness on the inhale, a warmness on the exhale. How's your breath? Are the streams of breath balanced from left to right? Or is one stronger than the other? We'll start with a simple pranayama to bring ourselves centered, grounded, and balance the breath. We'll start with a 6-6 count. So you'll inhale for a count of 6 and you'll exhale for a count of 6. Please exhale all your air. I'll guide you through the first two. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 more rounds on your own count, please. Fill your lungs on the inhale. Expand the chest, expand your heart. And then exhale to let it out. Soften the belly. Continue with your 6-6 count. But at the end of your exhale, I'd like you to hold your breath for a count of 4. So 6, 6, 4. We slow everything down. We calm down the nervous system. And we balance the breath. Remember not to hold after the inhale. We hold for 4 after the exhale. It's as if time slows down right at the pause of 4. Time stands still as you hold your breath for a count of 4. After your next exhale, please come back to a regular, smooth breath. Possibly even an equal count of 4 and 4 or 6 and 6. How are the streams of breath now? Are they balanced? If the left and right streams of breath is balanced, it indicates that the hemispheres of your brain is balanced, the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. This is the beginning of a meditative state. Now bring the 2 streams of breath to meet at the point in between your eyebrows. As the left and the right inhales at the same time, it forms a V shape that meets at the point in between your eyebrows. Bring the 2 streams of breath to meet at the 3rd eye point, which is the point in between your eyebrows. Now just above the roof of your mouth, picture a pristine, clear, tranquil, peaceful, calm lake. This lake is without a disturbance. This blue crystal clear lake is without a ripple. It is smooth and shiny, like frozen ice in the middle of winter. It is undisturbed. It is peaceful. It is crystal blue clear. If a thought comes to mind, see it as a ripple that passes through the lake and eventually settles and fades away. See this lake as if you were sitting on it, bringing you a sense of relaxation, a sense of calm, a sense of tranquility. Now just above the lake, just at the top, at the back of your head, you see the May full moon. It is brown and bright and shiny and brilliant. See its energizing effects. See its uplifting qualities. See its healing qualities. From this beautiful, brilliant, bright, full moon, as it shines and beams its white energy, power. It beams this beautiful, radiant light onto the lake. And it covers the lake and allows the lake to be even more calm. Now think of whatever is not serving you in life. Anything you want to let go. Anything you do not want to hold on to. It could be a habit. It could be a thought. It could be a habit, a pattern. Let it go and release it to the powerful, radiant, full moon. Still see the powerful, radiant, brilliant, full moon beaming down onto the lake. The calm, crystal clear lake. Now bring in an intention that you wish, your heart wishes for tomorrow and next week and the rest of your life. An intention that you wish to be fulfilled. Something to help you evolve. Something to help you grow as a person. Whatever you wish, your heart wishes, send it to the full moon. And the full moon will send it out to the universe. Hold on to that intention. See that intention manifesting. How does it look? How does it feel? Feel now that your intention has come true. You are living your intention. Bask in the attitude and the feelings and the joy and the gratitude that this intention is bringing you. You are living what your heart desires. Allow the full moon to fully manifest your intention and send it out to the universe as you live your new desires and wishes. Bring in a sense of gratitude. Bring in a kindness, a loving way to all living things. Because your intentions are possible. Just know that you are in control of your mind and in control of your life. You can continue to meditate on this full moon as you set out your intention and live in your intention as your heart desires. May the May full moon bring you happiness and joy and love and kindness. And may the full moon heal all humanity. Namaste.